And we know maraming nurses na ganun din yung situation sa'yo, no? What are your message and advices to other nurses?
Hindi mo talaga malalaman lahat. Pero kung iintindihin mo rin talaga, kailangan mo talaga i-internalize para malaman mo rin talaga. And then mag-start ka talaga sa pinaka-foundation ng nursing.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, nurses. My name is Chris from Nasha Business Consultancy Services. And with me is Nurse Jenaline, the Losong RN, USRN from Cavite. We have assisted Nurse Jenaline with her next generation NCLEX USA exam application process. And today, she will share her journey of becoming a USRN and her experience in choosing Nasha with her NCLEX USA application. How are you, ma'am? Can you introduce yourself?
Hello, sir. I'm Jenaline Didalso from Cavite, but I work here in Quezon City.
Well, ma'am, congratulations for passing the NCLEX. We are really happy and fortunate that we have guided you all throughout the process. We would
Yes.
like to know, ma'am, the reason and motivation to take the NCLEX and to become a registered nurse in the US. Ano yung mga naging motivation and reason natin po?
What motivate me talaga is yung kapatid ko. So,
Wow.
siya talaga yung nagpo-push sa akin na mag-try, na mag-exam. Kasi nakikita niya kasi medtech siya sa US. So, nakikita niya rin yung mga kasamahan niyang nurses na okay yung trabaho nila, okay yung buhay nila doon. So, siya talaga yung nagsabi sa akin na itry ko rin. So, kahit
Wow.
paano yun, doon ako nag-browse ng pwede kong gawin, ano yung pwede kong steps. Kasi wala talaga akong idea kung paano yung processing.
Wow. And thank you po doon sa kapatid ninyo, ma'am, no? First take po natin, ma'am, right?
Yes, first thing.
Wow, congratulations, and you made it. We can still remember that you started your assessment process with us last August 16, 2024. And
Yes,
you
inabot
passed
ng ganun.
Oo. And you passed the NCLEX last May 29. That's around 7 to 8 months na preparation. Can you tell
Yes.
us in detail how Nasha helps you with the processing of your application, getting your approval, and of course, the motivation and support for you to pass the NCLEX po?
With Nasha talaga, malaki talaga yung natulong niya kasi sa nature ng work ko, hindi talaga ako ganun na nakakauwi agad. So, yung may work ka na, so magre-review ka pa kasi nag-start na rin ako noon nung start ng processing. So, yung sa Nasha, lalo na yung sa school requisition. So, yun malabo talaga akong makauwi from Baguio kasi doon ako nag-aral eh. So, yun ang laki ng tulong noon na kayo na yung nag-process, kayo na yung nagsabi na ito na lang yung gagawin ko. So, ang laki ng tulong nun. And then yung reminding na nagre-remind kayo na ito na yung processing na mga percentage kasi doon ko nakikita kung hanggang ano na lang ako eh.
Yes, yes.
Natutuwa rin ako na unti-unti siya tumataas habang so parang nagkakaroon talaga siya ng progress, ito na yung gagawin ko. So, yun po yung naitulong, malaki na itulong sa akin yung Nasha.
Wow, thank you so much for that one, ma'am. Ganoon naman talaga si Nasha. We are not just a processing agency na parang, okay, process your application. We want to partner with you in achieving your professional goal abroad. So after passing the NCLEX, you already passed the NCLEX. Ang next
Yes.
process naman natin will be the business screen and license endorsement, and we will be there to help you and guide you all throughout the process. And a good thing naman about kay Nasha, ma'am, is we are in partnership as well with different employers and facilities across the US that offer sponsorship and direct hire opportunity for nurses like you. So talagang how do you call this one? One-stop shop na, no? From the NCLEX
Yes.
for the next process, and of course working in the United States. Going back with your exam preparation and review, ma'am, you mentioned na working kayo, and I guess it's really difficult for you to manage your time. Tell us about your exam preparation and review. Did you create a study guide? How does it work?
Kasi nung una din ako nag-inquire sa inyo, sabi nung time pa nun wala pa yung review niyo, so hindi ako nakapag-ano. So naghanap ako ng pwede kong magagamit, weekdays at weekends. So parang ang ginawa ko na lang ay bawat video, pinanood ko na lang siya. Nag-schedule ako kasi since may work nga ako ng 8 to 5, minsan nagiging hanggang 6. So ang nangyayari nun, lalo na nung mga first is mga na 2 hours, 3 hours lang sa gabi, basa, and then magsumagot ng mga questions, tapos inaaral ko na rin yung rationalis niya. And then nag-subscribe din ako ng isang yung sinasabi nila lagi na Archer. Sa mga group is, so yun, malaki din naging tulong yun sa akin.
Yes, ma'am. You mentioned na 8 to 5 yung working hours mo. Then
Yes.
almost 2 to 3 hours lang yung review natin every night. No? How many months mo yun ginawa? May study guide ka ba na parang yun yung nagiging guide mo in the topic, areas na ifo-focus natin?
Hindi. Kasi may time din talaga, meron talaga, may mga araw talaga na hindi ka talaga playback ng mga videos, hindi talaga. So, yun, ang ginagawa ko is, yung parang pag hindi ko to napanood, kailangan mayroon ako maidadagdag na kahit 1 oras na mapapanood ko pa rin siya kahit paano.
Yeah.
Parang gano'n. Tapos kung hindi ako nakapagsagot ng questions ngayon, kahit paano kinabukasan, dadagdagan ko yung questions na sasagutin ko at mababasa ko yung rationale. Lalo na sa mga rationale, doon ako talaga nagtitingin din kasi yun yung mali ko. So doon ko natututunan yung tama na talagang tumatatak sa isip ko na yun yung dapat isagot. Tapos yung sa study plan, sir, ang nasunod ko na lang yung sa Archer. Kasi mas doon na ako nung nakita ko na 3 months na lang, parang kailangan dun, yun na yung sinunod ko na may study plan sila na yung 12-week na may sagot na may mga questions, readiness assessment. So doon na lang din ako nag-focus.
Wow. So it's really the discipline, ma'am, na if ever hindi ka makasagot ngayon, dapat the next day bawiin mo talaga 'yon.
Yung parang talagang feeling ko may utang ako. Kailangan sagutin ko 'yun.
Now, let's talk about the examination day. Anong number kayo nag-stop? Anong oras kayo nag-stop? How does it feel? And up to the time na na-receive mo yung result from NASHA that you passed na NCLEX, tell us something about it.
Actually, nung day na exam, yung mismo exam, anxious. Gusto ko kasi maabot yung 85 questions. Kaso nga lang, hindi siya umabot. So, okay. So, hindi talaga. So, sige, sagot na lang ng sagot. Hanggang inabot na rin ng 120. Sabi ko lang, masyado na yatang yung pala, uubusin ko pala yung 150. So, after nun, 150 talaga ako nag-stop. So, 120. Pero ang sabi kasi sa isang review na parang, huwag mo nang i-aim kung basta sagutin mo na lang.
Yeah.
Kasi hanggat meron kang questions, binibigyan ka ng pag-asa na ito yung itama mo. So sagot na lang din, sumasagot na ako ng alam ko na lang ang tama. And may mga part talaga na hindi ko talaga alam. So may mga talagang part na hindi alam. So talagang malaking tulong na sinasabi nila na elimination. Para i-eliminate mo, alam mong mali na yun talaga. Para dalawa na lang yung pagpipilian.
Yes.
Yes, yung ganun na Tapos after noon, merong feeling ko tagilid ako.
Okay.
Kasi 150 parang hindi ko so ayun, nagtanong ko sa nanay ko, and medyo may 3 days yata yun hindi ako mapakali talagang Tapos yun, yung pagdating ng umaga, yung sinabi nakalagay kasi sa NASHA 29, May 29 lalabas yung kasi doon ko talaga tinitignan Tapos nung nakita ko ng ayun, saya na congratulations. Ang word lang na congratulations, tsaka yung pass lang talaga ang nakita ko nung time na unang tingin ko ng message niya.
So worth it lahat ng sacrifice natin, ma'am, no? Imagine you started your application last August 2024 and it takes 7 to 8 months for you to pass the NCLEX. And congratulations for that one, ma'am. And we know maraming nurses na ganun din yung situation sa'yo, no? working din sila, almost walang oras na makapag-review, no? And they don't have the study guide. What are your message and advices to other nurses planning to take the NCLEX, still thinking to start the NCLEX, preparing for their NCLEX? What are your message to them?
Sa nag-iisip na mag-start muna, actually, yung sinasabi nilang, kung kaya naman mo ngayon, bakit ituloy mo na? So, ganun. So, why not now na? So, start na nila, mag-process na sila. And then, yung sa study, ganun din, hindi mo talaga malalaman lahat. Pero kung iintindihin mo rin talaga, talagang i-internalize mo talaga. Kasi may time narinig ko na wala na pasok tas lalabas na. So parang kailangan mo talaga i-internalize para malaman mo rin talaga. And then mag-start ka talaga sa pinaka-foundation ng nursing na doon talaga nag-start, malalaman mo lahat.
Wow. Thank you so much for that message and inspiration, ma'am. Ma'am, again, thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for sharing your story. We know a lot of nurses will be inspired to do the same, and your journey, ma'am, is really, really amazing and an inspiration to everyone. Congratulations again, ma'am. We are fortunate that we have guided you with the process, and we are excited to see you in the coming months and years working as a registered nurse in the US. Maraming salamat po, ma'am. God bless you po.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Nasha.